Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Well, on Friday, I found a garage sale on Nazareth Street up in Kalamazoo, and I came home with a really nice little thing. Yep, you guys guessed it, I brought home the battery charger. The reason I brought it home is it's a 6 and 12 volt battery charger. And this little green machine down there requires 6 volts. I can get a battery at Tractor Supply. What I'm going to be using is a couple of batteries for deer feeders. I'm going to get 2 of them because that way I'll be able to double up the batteries in parallel and have twice the amp hours. Instead of the 4.5 amp hours, I'm going to have 9, and that'll be good. It'll mean that the little guy can ride it longer. In the meantime, I've been testing it on this 12 volt battery, and it's been charging really well. It started out at 2.5 amps, and it's now down to about 1, which is good. It'll be a nice battery charger for derusting too. This Marquette works really good, and it's a great battery charger and a battery tester. But using this thing for derusting is kind of dynamite on mosquitoes. And I really like this old battery charger, and I don't want to burn it up doing something that, you know, you can do with a $5 battery charger. So that's the plan. I'm going to finish charging this 12 volt with the little battery charger. And then I'm going to get the other pair of 6 volt batteries from Tractor Supply. They tell me they have them on the shelf. And then I'll hook those up and get the big John Deere going. We have a little John Deere. It's tiny John Deere. So that's the one he's riding right now. This one is actually a little big for him. I think this would handle a 4-year-old, and in some cases a 5 or 6-year-old, because it's a big lawnmower, because it's a big tractor. So in any case, that's what I'm doing, and I'm working my way through projects. There's one in the back corner there that you probably see something about already. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.